Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have batteries checked and the AC on. Start now. Make sure the unit is in the mode you want, cool, dry, or fan, then set your target temperature so the sleep profile has a baseline. Aim the remote at the indoor unit. Press the sleep button once. Once done, look at the remote display for the sleep icon or a default timer. You're initiating the one and only built-in sleep function, so press confidently and prepare to set the timer next. You're now on the timer step. Use the hour or up/down buttons to select the sleep duration, commonly from 0. 5 up to 9 hours depending on model. Press OK or simply wait a couple seconds for the remote to auto-confirm the choice. You'll see the timer displayed. Once set, the indoor unit will gradually change temperature according to LG's sleep profile. This reduces cooling or heating slowly so you remain comfortable. Make sure the fan mode is as you want it before leaving. Complete the setup by verifying the sleep icon appears on the remote and, if available, the indoor display. To cancel, press sleep again or power the AC off and on. This resets the sleep schedule. If the function fails, troubleshoot quickly. Replace remote batteries, clear obstructions, and confirm line of sight, and power cycle the indoor unit. If nothing changes, confirm your exact LG remote model supports sleep mode. Some variants label it differently, or consult the unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.